guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is the progressive lenses or the multifocal lenses. So how to choose the progressive lenses and how it become more effective and it will work for you. So I am going to share the 10 most effective factors that can help you to choose the right progressive lenses. So let's start the video. So first of all, if you are feeling the difficulty to see far, intermediate as we are calling the computer distance and the reading, and you cross already the age of 38, 39 that I discussed in the last video, we are calling the near vision problem or the presbyopia. The suitable lenses for you, for your spectacle, is the progressive lenses. So the first point is that how to choose the proper design for your progressive lenses. So I am going to give you a simple idea. So how the progressive lenses cost and the price varies, and what is the suitable design for you. So just have a look on these images. So as you can see here, these are the design of the progressive lens. What do you mean by design? How the lens we made it for your as per your active lifestyle. So first of all, if you are thinking to go for the basic progressive lenses, so if you see in the normal and the basic design progressive lenses, in the corners you will see like the wavy effect. So if you can see here, that is very clear. Intermediate computer or tablet or iPad distance is clear also, and reading part also clear. But if you see in the corners, there is like wavy. So in the corners you will feel, in the technical way we are calling the distortion area. So as we upgrade, the lens become more comfortable and less distortion, the lens design varies. So from here, first design to second design, if you see it here, this is the more wider area, better field of view and less distortion. So what happened here, they add the more wider area, easy to adapt, and it is very good for the active lifestyle. So if you see here, it covers your more mobile area. So in the intermediate you will see more better compared to the normal one, and in the reading area as well you will see more better. So if you want to go for the best, they reduce the distortion area to the minimal, and in the best progressive lenses they distribute this distortion area to somewhere in the lenses that you don't need to see. Suppose they will put it the distortion area here, here, so they will just distribute the distortion area. But in the simple way, if you can see it here, very wider field of view, it is very good for active lifestyle. So that's how the lens design varies. So as accordingly, if you go for this one, that is the very basic design, and it comes with the low price. Here the price varies because the technology and the advancement of the progressive lenses increase. Here the best design, obviously that is the most expensive lenses as of now. So this all about the design. So second point is the refractive index. We are calling high index lenses. So what is all about? Suppose if your power is very high, more than -3 or +3, and you have the astigmatism as well, so you have to choose the lens that is thinner compared to the normal lenses. What happen exactly? If your power is high, so we have to choose the higher index. Suppose in the normal lenses the index is coming 1.5. So if your power is high, we have to choose the index minimum 1.6 or 1.67 to make the lens more thinner. So what is the advantage if you choose the higher index? first of all, the lens will become more thinner. Second thing, the lens weight overall reduces, so lighter weight. Third thing, you will receive a 100% UV protection. As what happened exactly, once we increase the indexes from 1.5 to 1.6 to 1.67, the inbuilt characteristics of the lens is increased. So in the 1.6 you will receive 100% UV protection, more clarity, lighter weight, and the best, thinner. So cosmetically it will looks good also. Point is the frame selection. So while you are going to choose the progressive lenses, the most important factor is to choose the right frame as per your face. So I am going to share one image, so that will help you to see what, if your face is oval, what frame will be suitable for you. If your face is long, what frame is suitable for you. So if you want to go for the progressive lenses, you have to choose the best recommended frame, as your optometrist or the optician can explain you as per your face structure and the nose build. So what happen exactly if you choose the wrong frame? So first of all, the frame will keep sliding up and down like this. So the point of the progressive lens is, the focus point will vary, so you will not able to see the things clearly. And the second point, if you choose the wrong frame, what happen exactly? You will, as I explained in the progressive lenses, you will have the 3 focal points. First for the distance, middle for the computer, and down for the reading. So if you choose the wrong size frame or the wrong frame, what happen, all the focal points, the progressive design will not come on that frame particularly, so you will lose somehow your reading part or the distance part. So that is all about the frame selection. So the next point is, you choose the frame that can fit on your face and that is not moving at all, and that is the size and the frame is suiting as per the progressive design. The most important factor is the frame alignment and the proper markings for your progressive lenses. So what is the frame alignment? The frame should be straight and it will suitable on your face, and it will sit on your face, and it should not have the much distance from your eyes to the frame. So if there is a distance, more distance, you will feel somehow uncomfortable if we make the progressive lens for you. So, and the another thing, the proper marking. So the progressive lenses is basically a customized lenses. It looks like you are going to stitch a new garments in the tailor shop. So if the measurement is wrong, you will not receive a actual fitting of the garment. So same happens in the progressive lenses. If the marking is the correct, is actual correct position of the center of the lens that matches to your eyes center, and it's having the good pentoscopic tilt, good fitting, and the frame is properly aligned, you will receive a very good effect for the progressive lenses.